This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode in Ubuntu. Let me jump over to my desktop. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable dark mode in Ubuntu, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to my little system tray area. I'm going to click in there. Then I'm going to go down to that little gear wheel, and I'm going to click on that gear wheel. That will open the settings dialog box, and inside of the settings dialog box, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Appearance. Then on the center pane, under where you see it says Style, by default you're probably set to the default view, but the dark mode is right off to the right here, Dark. You want to click on Dark. This will enable dark mode. Now I am in dark mode, and to go back to the default view, click on Default. Down below the default view, if you're on default, you choose one of these color schemes down here. But that is how to enable or disable dark mode in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.